Loading, Intelligent Cranium Project. Cutting-edge mobile technology infuses our helmets with intelligence, offering superior functionality. 2 heads-up display lenses access real-time streaming video from 2 rear-view cameras, or display functions from connected devices. The implementation of these 2 rear-view cameras increases the field of view from the typical 180 degrees used in similar products to 210 degrees, all but eliminating blind spots, and allowing the rider to stay focused on the road ahead. Integrated with the cameras, interior LED lights act as a notification system, blinking amber when a vehicle gets within 420 feet, and blinking red when a vehicle gets within 240 feet. The helmet will also issue a warning sound, and vibrate with each alert. The audio is broadcast via internal speakers, which not only provide audio alerts for approaching traffic and helmet battery life, but have access to all other functions available via connected devices. Intelligent Cranium helmets can connect to your phone via the app, to the internet, including access to OTA software updates, and can even connect to other iC-R helmets for party communication via Bluetooth. The app allows for access to navigation, weather reports, telemetry data, media libraries, communication platforms, and whatever you can imagine, because our open SDK framework allows for custom app development. The batteries can be charged at home, via a power port on the back, or on the go, with an integrated solar panel. And if the sun becomes blinding, the visor can be tinted with the push of a button. The iC-R helmet was custom designed to be aerodynamic and lightweight, for optimum performance, comfort, and style. Intelligent Cranium helmets, the iC-R Rider Edition, coming soon.